Amethyst with WTI, and I'm calling to all the people who struggle with under eye circles, dark circles, puffiness, all the 9 yards, or you're someone who's trying to get a head start and prevent them from ever happening. This right here is a Kopari niacinamide and caffeine eye bright cream. I have under eye circles. I always have, so I know there's a level of my genetics won't allow me to not have them, but I also have a lifestyle that sometimes causes some pretty bad ones. So I love that it has caffeine, which is a perfect antioxidant to help with redness and puffiness. And I really love the niacinamide because that's gonna be great for over time reducing dark circles. So this also, something very important to me is I have pretty sensitive under eyes. I've tried some of those really awesome creams that have a ton of ingredients and they really burn. So something like this is perfect if you also struggle with that. I've also noticed there's no fragrance and there is no coloring. So I really like that as well because, again, sensitive skin. And I know a lot of you guys out there also have sensitive skin, or you're just looking for something that has a little less ingredients that could potentially cause irritation. So I also love the texture of this. It goes on so nice, very quickly, and it dries down really fast. So I don't have to worry about, layering makeup on top of something greasy. And I really like as well that if I'm not putting makeup on top, it doesn't cause greasiness throughout the day. So I love this product so much. I've been using it on a daily. I seriously cannot recommend it enough. If you're someone with sensitive skin, have some under eye bags, or you're trying to prevent them from ever coming, this is something I'd highly recommend you check out. And that is my point of view.